Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch 37 development projects worth around 20,000 crore rupees today in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. President Draupadi Murmu is on a 6-day visit to West Bengal, Telangana and Rajasthan beginning today. Union Minister Jitendra Singh has said that space sector startups in the country have attracted private investment worth over 1,000 crore rupees during the last 9 months of the current financial year. As heavy rain slashed several parts of Tamil Nadu, the Indian Meteorological Department has issued a heavy rain alert for the next 7 days. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Sunday emphasized on the need to reform the United Nations organization.